Hi everybody, that's Monday, March 3rd, 2025, and today I'm gonna show you the order block model for today's date. Let's get started from 15 minutes time frame. I want to show you the very important levels to which you have to get used to how price behaves around those levels, okay? That's midnight opening price, then 9:30, 9:30 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. right here. 8:30. Look, yeah, I'm gonna show you the setup on 30-second time frame. That was very beautiful, very easy to spot and to understand. That's why I want you to pay attention to it. So this is 9:30 opening, okay? We have relative equal highs over here. Initially price goes down, takes liquidity below this pin candle liquidity and goes in the opposite direction. Watch closely. What is this? Short-term low, right? It partially closed this fair value gap. And then what is this? That's market structure shift, okay? So basically, after this liquidity was taken, I understand that all of that movement to the upside is most likely order block. The order block is confirmed once the opening price of the order block is violated. But because of experience, because of time, at what time it happened, I was willing to go inside this fair value gap, okay? Inside this bearish order block. That was aggressive entry, to be honest, that was aggressive entry, but look at that. And the other entry could be once the opening price was violated, 3 ticks below this order block. But unfortunately, price didn't come back up to that order block anymore. So if you didn't enter in here, you would miss the opportunity to enter in here, okay? But again, because of the experience and volume imbalance inside and the market structure shift, liquidity being taken, time of the day, so that's why I was willing to go inside this. Before the opening price was violated, I already went inside this variable gap because that's balanced price range. From this side to that side, this is balanced price range. Once price goes below, it makes balanced price range inside this order block. And the targets, since I was having long bias towards a level which I mentioned yesterday when I was doing the when I was reading the bias for the week, you can see this video on the right side. I was only going in here and exiting here, okay? 2 standard deviation, only 2 standard deviation, but still price went lower, 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 and lower. I just want to show you how it really behaves. Look, once the order block is correct, you will see beautiful delivery. Look at that. 4 standard deviation and retracing from there. It continued lower, yes, but doesn't matter anymore, okay? Besides that, I want to show you the setup for the afternoon session, okay? Your hunting begins for the afternoon session is after 1:30. And let me go up to 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame, okay? So you have all of that build up liquidity. You have acceleration to the upside. So the buy side liquidity was taken about this high. And look, the movement below all of those up close candles, okay? And what is this? That's correct. That's short-term low, which partially, actually completely, this down movement closed this variable gap. Okay, let me show it to you. And we made a new high. Once the opening price of this order block was violated here, this is where you could get inside the trade. Basically from the opening price or 3 ticks below. And for the beginning, on our traded order block, always hide the stop loss at the highest point. With time, you will get used to and you will start to understand more how to make it shorter. But in the beginning, always put at the highest point. Because if it goes all the way up back there, it means you are wrong in the bias, and this is pretty much it. And look how price delivers. 2 standard deviation, 4 standard deviation, huh? 4 standard deviation and reversal. Amazing, isn't it? With such a big stop loss towards 4 standard deviation, that's 4.5, and towards, let's say, before two standard deviations, that 1 to 2. Okay, that's pretty great trades. And what about risk reward in the morning setup? Again, if you were trying to get in here, you wouldn't get position, you wouldn't get filled. But since I got inside this firewall gap because I saw the market structure shift already here, I'm gonna show you the situation, how it looked. 1 tick above that high always. Look, that's 1 to 4. And if some of you were holding to 4 standard deviation, that we would be 1 to 7. Not bad at all, is it? So this is pretty much it. Hopefully you found this insightful, and until I talk to you next time, be well, all the best, and take care. Wow, what you just learned here could change the whole approach to trading. Are you ready to take the next step? Your next big insight is just 1 click away.